The question is when I say if a private equity fund is losing money, or if a venture capital fund is losing money, or if an anchor investor is losing money, it is all right. Now, why do I say this? I say this because a private equity fund, or a venture capital fund, or an anchor investor would have made the investment in that company at a very low price in comparison to the price at which the company would come out with the IPO. And therefore, uh, it is highly unlikely that a private equity fund or a venture capital fund or an anchor investor will really lose money because they have so much of a margin. So let's say, for example, the promoters of, let's say, Paytm, assuming that their face value was rupees 10, so the promoters of Paytm must have got the shares at 10 rupees per share, and the same share is being sold to the retail investor at 2150 rupees, and the same share maybe those private equity people, they must have got 10 रुपए के बजाय हो सकता है उन्होंने 50 रुपए का लिया हो या 100 रुपए का लिया हो, या ये हो सकता है अगर 100 रुपए का भी उन्होंने लिया होगा. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if a private equity fund or a high net worth investor or someone who has got a lot of money, who invested his money into Paytm or company like Paytm, what he must have paid at that point in time, 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 200 rupees. Now even if that was paid by them, and against that retail investors are paying 2150 रुपीज़, तो 2150 से वो गिर के 550 पे आ गया. रिटेल इन्वेस्टर हैज़ लॉस्ट हिज शर्ट पेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. 1600 रुपीज़ इज लूजिंग पर शेयर. दी
तो
प्राइवेट इक्विटी फंड.
सर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर लेता ही क्यों है? उसको पता है कि इतना हाईली
हाँ,
प्राइस्ड है.
yeah, see, that is a very good point, Pooja. That is a very good point. But unfortunately or incidentally, everyone wants to make money. But unfortunately or incidentally, everyone is not so well educated about as to how the stock market works. So
सर
sometimes,
यही रीजन है कि लोग इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं बिना
हाँ,
कोई कैलकुलेशन के.
करके, that's correct, that's correct, that's correct. So अब ये है ना, देखो, अगर बार बार ऐसे झटके बैठेंगे तो फिर फाइनली वही होगा, रिटेल इन्वेस्टर मार्केट से बाहर निकल जाएगा. अगर उसको हर हर समय ऐसा होगा तो बेचारा बाहर निकल जाएगा. और अगर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर कैपिटल मार्केट से बाहर निकल गया, इट इज़ अ बैड साइन फॉर द इकोनॉमी. It is a bad sign for the economy. As a matter of fact, you must have more retail investors coming into the capital market so that they are able to get good return. And that is the responsibility of companies like Paytm or Nykaa or all these delivery, all these companies. And that is the responsibility of the merchant banker. That is the responsibility of promoters to ensure that their issues are priced in a way that at least there is something left for the retail investor. The retail investor should not be left high and dry. And if that is what is happening, that is a bad sign. That is a bad sign. That is a bad sign for the capital market, and that is the bad sign for the economy. And that is how it is. And now, see, interestingly, all of you, I'm sure, would be knowing this. Now, Paytm is doing a buyback. एक साल पहले 2150 रुपये में आपने शेयर बेचा, अब आप वो शेयर को 600 रुपये में खरीद रहे हो. आपको शर्म नहीं आ रही है कि आपने 2150 में बेचा है वो शेयर, अब आप उसको 600 में खरीदना चाह रहे हो? मतलब ये, दिस इज समथिंग वेरी डिस्ग्रेसफुल ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द कंपनी, because this is a pure broad daylight legal cheating. Since the law allows you, that's why you're doing. And same thing was done in case of Nykaa. So what Nykaa did, Nykaa has done a bonus share. And what ratio? In 5:1. That means anybody who was holding one share, he has been given a bonus issue of 5, bonus shares of 5. Where have they given the bonus from? From the share premium. Now अभी आपने एक साल पहले शेयर प्रीमियम कलेक्ट किया है, you are supposed to pay, really speaking, bonus from the profit that you earn and not from the share premium that you collect. If you are giving a bonus to the shareholders from the share premium that you have collected, you have wasted the time, energy and the resources of the economy as a whole. क्योंकि आपने जो पैसा वापस लिया, अगर आपको ऐसा ही था तो एक साल पहले ही आपको अपना इशू उस तरह से प्राइसिंग करनी चाहिए थी. पर उनका चूंकि सिंस देयर इशू वाज कंप्लीटिंग 1 year एंड दे वर फियरिंग कि एक बार एक साल का लॉक इन निकल गया तो पुराने जो भी लोग हैं जिन्होंने सस्ते में लिया हुआ है, जो प्राइवेट इक्विटी वेंचर वाले सब जब सस्ते में लिया हुआ है, दे विल डंप इट. एंड इफ दे विल डंप इट, then immediately the stock price will come down. So just to prevent them from dumping it, they came out with a public issue, the bonus issue. And why the bonus issue? Because it has got tax implications. Since the company has given a bonus issue, now there are implications of tax. So therefore, the earlier investors, the private equity and the venture capital and the initial promoters, now they cannot sell their shares, because if they do that, then they will have problem in the income tax. And this is something which is legal. This is legally committed wrong. This is a legally committed wrong, and that is what I was suggesting. This is not a good corporate governance. This is a bad corporate governance. Is extremely bad corporate governance. As a corporate person, you have a responsibility. You have an obligation to set right kind of examples. आप अगर इस तरह से करते हो, नायका बोनस देती है 5:1 का, और पेटीएम वाले खुद के शेयर को परचेज करते हैं. अभी आप सोचिए 2150 में आपने रिटेल वालों को बेचा 1 साल पहले, और आप वही शेयर अभी 600 रुपये में खरीदना चाह रहे हो. कितना गलत है ये. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज आर यू प्रैक्टिसिंग? एंड दैट इज द क्वेश्चन.